Welcome to our video on rereading. My reader self-corrected a miscue or a mistake, so now what? So here's my case of rereading, or going back and reading the sentence again. After a reader spends time decoding an unknown word or correcting their mistake, really consider having them return to the beginning of that sentence and reread the sentence. Why? This aids in overall comprehension of the text and helps them read their initial miscue or mistake in a full sentence. Sometimes kids spend so much time decoding that word that they often have lost track of what they've read, and so just going back to the beginning of that particular sentence helps them with their comprehension. So how do we encourage rereading? First thing is you can tap the first capital. After the child fixes their reading mistake or miscue, they may want to keep on reading. Stop them, tap the capital at the beginning of the sentence. In the video next, you'll see that. Number 2, then have them reread the sentence. And number 3, keep tapping until they initiate rereading on their own. So as you continue with the text and they make a mistake again, they decode it, they get it right, tap at the beginning of that sentence, and keep on having them read on. Of course, there are exceptions. Thinking about comprehension. If your child's understanding of the text isn't affected by stopping decoding an unknown word, and then they can continue on reading and they're usually very good with comprehension, I would say they can probably just keep on reading and not have to go back and reread. Some children do better correcting their mistake and just continuing reading on. Again, if this isn't affecting their comprehension, then in my opinion, this is just fine. So watch the next video. You'll see just a couple little examples of what we were just talking about, rereading and tapping at the beginning of a sentence. Thanks for watching.
He looked at the gate. The giant Ferris wheel.
Can you show me why that word is giant and not gate?
Well, it didn't make sense to me when he looked at the gate Ferris wheel.
What about with the letters?
Giant.
Show me how that is giant.
Giant, not g-8.
Good.
Giant Ferris wheel. Ring. Oh, he looked at the giant Ferris wheel. Wendell didn't worry. He wandered up and down the snake.
Take it with your finger.
Line. Yeah. The snake line. He wandered up and down the snake-like line for the roller coaster ride, looking for his mother.
Why do you think she